Again, 3D row, exam number 10. Red close gap, purple straighten wall, and drag wall to correct location and add corner. Okay, so dito, nakikita natin, medyo kapos yung wall, drag lang natin pababa. Then, purple, missing yung F corner. So, maglagay tayo ng F corner dito na part. So, 9. And tapos, drag pa loob. Then, I select all, group. Delete natin yung axis line. Then, ayusin ito yung purple. So, gamit lang tayo ng F4. F4. Auto-fix. Ayan, na-fix na siya. So, pwede na natin ipasa. So, okay na yung wall natin. Nasa tamang location na. Pwede na natin yan ipasa.